Hey everyone! As I said in my "Oh my god, I have 1000 subscribers" video, I do have a lot of plans for this channel, and now I finally got more time to make these plans come reality. What are these plans? Well, first of all, I will continue my Laravel and my Angular 2 series because I really like those. And while it has gotten a little bit more quiet around Angular 2, the series here, I still have a lot of ideas what I want to do there. Build more applications with it, go into some advanced concepts, all that stuff. So that's the part you already have. Now what is the upcoming part? We're going to have a look at Node.js, at Express framework there, and at Meteor, which is using Node.js 2 on the server and also has a strong connection to the client side, so which is a full stack framework, so to say. We'll also have a look at other front-end frameworks like React, for example, to see how those frameworks work, to enable you to pick the framework you like most for your projects. Additionally, I plan to do some not really language-specific videos, but more general videos where I, for example, compare different frameworks, where I give my view on the web development industry, where I try to give some guidance where to start if you're brand new into web development, and so on. Share my thoughts, really. So that is something I've coming up where I'm planning to do. And there is another part, which is not related to coding. Now, as you might be aware, I'm working as a freelance web developer, and what I liked most about freelancing is the freedom. It's in the word, right? And I always chose my projects such that I can use the tools and languages I want, and that I'm not doing the same and the same and the same in each project. And therefore, I also do a lot of designing. So designing websites and sketching them out, creating assets in Illustrator and so on. And now the interesting thing is, while I'm not capable of drawing a horse on a sheet of paper, for example, web design is something you can actually learn if you learn how to use the right tools, if you get some basic understanding what works about typing, about colors. And I want to go into this direction a little bit and release some content there too, where we, for example, build assets in Illustrator, build icons or other things you might need, or where you will learn the tools you need to create stuff like this. We'll also design websites in Photoshop and Sketch, where we see how those tools work and how we structure a website, how we come up with designs, which colors work, and so on. So that is really interesting, I think, and I'm very excited to roll out the first videos there too. I will also connect that with the development part, and I plan on creating a series which might be called Design and Code or anything like that, where we start from an empty sheet of paper and then we sketch out the website, we create a design, and then we implement it so that you see the whole process. I think that's very interesting, and I'm very excited to see what you guys think of that. So that are all the ideas that I have. And while that might sound like a lot, and that it would probably take a year to, fulfill all these ideas or to do something about them, I'm very confident that I will be able to touch on most topics very soon, because as I said, now I finally have more time that I can put into all these things, and therefore we'll pretty soon start with all these new, series or videos and all the new content. I'm very excited to get started here, and obviously I'm very excited to see your reactions and how you like it, so stay tuned for more.